Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to check your Chase travel credit. Make sure you watch until the end of the video to learn how to do this and more. To make convenient travel-related purchases like hotel bookings, flights, car rentals, and cruise lines, Chase Bank offers the Chase Sapphire Reserve Card with travel credit. While this card can enhance your travel experience, it's important to monitor your available credit to ensure you don't run out. Here's how you can check your Chase travel credit. First, go to chase.com, the link is in the description, and log in with your account username and password. Once logged in, click on the Chase Travel portal on the right side of the screen. If you have multiple credit cards, select the Chase Sapphire Reserve Card. On the next page, select the Annual Travel Credit option. Here, you will see your travel credit statement limit and whether it has been reached. And there it is. With these easy steps, you can see how much Chase travel credit you have in your account. Thanks for watching, and until next time.